Hello team. I'm going to show you like Azure Data Factory, especially for DBS. This course is designed for especially for DBS to make them understand and make them to with the latest technologies and as well as to improve their calls, prospects in job, resumes and such. Okay, so this is the primary objective of this course. So now coming to day one, let's understand what is ADF in basic terminology and let's learn this technology in basic ways. Okay, what is mean by ADF? ADF stands for Azure Data Factory. So apart from this Azure, this is like online cloud version of SSIS SQL Server Integration Services. So ADF is like one of the cloud ETL tool from Microsoft. There are so many ETL tools from outside of Microsoft. So as you know that right, everybody is like every product. We have so many products like from Microsoft. In that, as it is very well integrated, and like ETL stands for like extract transform extract load transform. So let's understand with basic use cases how what is like where we can use ADF. Well, for example, we are having two companies, one is Zomato and one is Swiggy. Zomato is using MS SQL database and Swiggy uses Oracle database. Now Zomato wants to convert once it got acquired by Zomato. Now Zomato want to convert all the Oracle database tables from Oracle to MS SQL database. In this case, ADF will be useful. And another use case is like you are getting a data from Excel sheets from various clients. Now what your job is like, you have to load the data as it is into the tables, and like this you have to do for every day. And so using ADF you can automate this as well. Okay, so now in these two above cases we can use ADF and achieve our job very easily. Today as the first day comes, we can I will show you how we can create ADF in Azure. So if you, so once you log into Azure, here you can type the data factory, so you will get it there. Once you are frequently using, so all these icons will appear here. Okay, so directly I'm going to data factory. Okay, I already created one before this video, and right now I'm going to create one more. Click create. So select the subscription and the resource group. As of now, I'm selecting Asha test hyphen RG. Now I'm taking like here text. So I have given this name Asha test demo 007. Okay, and now I'm deploying this data factory resource in the East US region. So like this, see these many regions that are available in Azure. Now as of now, the previously version 1 is also available, and right now that was removed, and only version 2 we can able to select here. Okay, but now press next. So as of now, these are all advanced topics, so that's the reason I'm not going to cover in this video. So I am selecting this configure gift later. Next. So select the public endpoint. So next, this is leave it as it is. Next. So if you want to use this name like uh, name name owner. So like this I'm giving, like this I can tag multiple, so that whenever I see these resources, so I came to know this data factory using for this purpose. Okay, so next create. Okay, if you see here, there is no billing cost associated, means creating data factory resource is free, but whenever you run the pipelines and the data, how much data it got transferred, so various factors will be there. So that factors we have to pay the amount. So as of now we don't see any charge here. Okay, so now click press create. Now we have initiated deployment. So see, within like one, not only one, within almost 1 minute, the resource got deployed. Now go to resource. So here the basic, like how if you want to delete, you can delete here, and see you can see that pipeline runtime, how many activities that got executed, how many times you triggered, and that integration runtime CPU, it's runtime memory as well. Okay, all these like basic things as well. So as of now today, we will like see only how we can deploy the data factory resource. You can, once you deploy, you can leave it there. So we are not going to get any bill for that. So okay, as of now, for the day one, this is enough for us, and we will meet you in next video. Thank you.